Samsung just came out with the Galaxy S23 Ultra and even the pre-order deals are over, and you guys may have heard about the S23 Ultra best battery numbers close to iPhone 14 Pro Max. There was a big reason behind it. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. The Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the same 1750 nits peak brightness, so people started thinking that Samsung is going to use the same OLED panel, just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Interestingly, they didn't. Samsung's new OLED panel comes with the improved power efficiency, which improves the luminance and decreases the amount of power consumption. As per company claims and numbers, this new panel consumes 13 to 16% lower power to achieve the same brightness level, which is amazing. Even according to XDA developer, the new panel consumes 0.6 watt, even less than iPhone 14 Pro Max if it reaches 1150 nits peak brightness. So the combinations of both new displays and Snapdragon Engine 2 makes this much better battery life out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you guys happy with the battery life of your Galaxy S23 Ultra? Now previously, most of the people were disappointed about the Samsung didn't put the 2000 nits peak brightness on S23 Ultra, but this was the reason behind it, where either you get more brighter display or more battery out of the same brightness level, and Samsung took the right decision to go for more battery life. If you guys don't know, how long will your Galaxy S23 Ultra last? Well, to put things in perspective, iPhone 14 Pro Max lasted around 11 hours and 25 minutes in the battery drain, whereas S23 Ultra lasted around 11 hours and 15 minutes. And if we compare it to the last year's S22 Ultra, it only lasted around 9 hours and a couple of more minutes on it. So a great battery life out of the same 5000 mAh battery. Also, light mode on S23 Ultra is an additional feature which will only decrease 10% of your performance but provide much more power efficiency, so you can even extend the battery life of your Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the same 45 watt fast charger, but it charges faster than the last generation, where you can charge your S23 Ultra within just 57 minutes with Samsung's own 45 watt fast charger. Quite close to the last generation, but much better than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you guys are facing any issue related to the battery of your S23 Ultra, then don't worry, it takes a couple of days to adapt it, and maybe with the upcoming software updates, we can even get more battery out of the S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the new One UI 5.1 features, then click on this video to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.